Gold and silver both traded with the modest bullish bias today, as we have discussed and recommended in our first update with the Asia session that gold can be bought at 2034. Expect 2040-42 levels as a greater resistance. Beautifully, gold respected, while silver also failed to break beyond 2325, the first resistance level. Now, what to expect from gold and silver today? How we can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. To get the live updates, do press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment, yes, and press the bell icon. Let's start. First gold followed with silver, watch till join the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Now look at the hourly charts. Yes, it has reached 20, 40, 42 levels. That is certainly a critical resistance for gold to break past. After achieving the levels, what it has done, it has come back to the support. Now if you see gold staying below 2028, that is the point of time we can initiate a selling entry in gold. But remember, it has to break the critical support levels on the downside in order to confirm bearishness. Remember, it is trading in this bullish channel. Where is the bottom of the channel? Somewhere here at around 2028, 2026 levels. Very good support exists here on the downside. First at 25, then at 18 and 22. These are the three support levels it has to break. If it breaks below these levels, then you can say it is reversing and a crash can be expected. Now one must look at, see, this is the support zone. If you look at multiple candles consolidated here at 3032, and that is why I say only if you see it is staying below 2028 you can sell and then expect it to drop more. Now if you look at a stochastic, this is dropped. MACD has been seen crossing over here on the hourly charts and it is looking downwards. Couple of more red candles may make it diverge more. RSI trading bearish. Likewise on the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, one more observation here. See, it has erased all the gains from this candle. Prices have retraced towards this zone. Now see, bearishness getting diminished here. However, on the upside, if you see it is staying above 2038, you can initiate a buying entry here and expect it to break beyond 2040-42 zone. One thing, let me make clear today that beyond 2040-42 zone, every drop in is an opportunity for you to stay bullish in gold. We are looking forward to 2052 and 2060-65 zone. If it stays above 2042 levels, then and then only. Moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence, bullishness, stochastic dropping here. MACD is trying to converge a bit. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3-hour on the 3-hour charts, another observation here is, see, this was the breakout candle. This candle erased all the gains from this breakout. Now trying to trade with almost flat bias, neither bullish nor bearish. But yes, one thing is very clear, it has got very important support here on the downside, 2028, 25, 24 and then 18, 22. Very strong support. The stochastic looking down, MACD bullish, trying to converge a bit, RSI flat, and on the 4-hour it's the similar observation. One must note, see, drop, retracement, higher lows, higher highs. Now also you should notice that, see, the rise is so much gradual and it could try to achieve higher lows here. Higher lows means it can again try to move towards 2020-2018 zone before reversing. There is a possibility to it, but still you should not be treating gold as bearish. Stochastic flat near to top, MACD bullish, RSI flat. Coming to daily charts. Before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 28th batch started yesterday. 29th batch is announced. Be a part of it. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Again, ping me on Telegram or write an email for any of your queries related to the services. Do join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates and be a part of the platform forexfunda.com. Yes, the platform has economic calendar, live data releases, and yes, live charts along with community of traders is available. You can also book a call there with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened on the daily charts? If you notice here, see, it is trading in this bullish channel, achieving the peak of the channel. It is reversed. Where is the bottom of the channel? Somewhere here at around 1820 levels is the bottom, and if it breaks below this zone, then you can consider this as a reversal. Also, one must note how gold has behaved thus far. First thing is, see, drop, retracement. So it has to break this channel. It has to stay above 2040-42 in order to confirm a reversal. Any closure of candle above 2040-42, any movement above 2040-42, I'll be looking forward to 2050 and 2060 levels as the next targets. Be watchful of that. Right now it is still under retracement. It is not reversing. Stochastic rising. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish crossover. This can lead to bullish prices in the near term. RSI rising. Thus only selling entry today below 2028. Also below 28, remember 24, 25 first target, 2018, 22 the next support zone, and below 2018 is where the bears will be taking over, where you can say now the gold prices are reversing and it is bound for a drop, and you can look forward to 2014, 2010. And once it drops below 2010, that is the chance, that is a level below which it should be treated for a crash. I am giving it now these levels. Whenever you see today or tomorrow, consider these are the reversal levels. However, I am looking for a bullish breakout. Thus, we have to wait for it to break out beyond 4042 zone. You can buy at 2038, wait for a breakout beyond 4042, and then it will look forward to 4852 low levels first target, then 6065 the next. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts getting resistance at 2025, 2325, 2320 levels. It has reversed. It is trying to touch the 50 period moving average. Remember, silver has got very good support at 2305 and $23 levels, only below which you can expect slight bearishness, as we have discussed in our Asia session update. The stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over at the top. It is trading with divergence and bearishness. Signs of slight bearishness are here. RSI looking downwards. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, see prices were trading with little divergence from the 20 period. It has come to 20 period. Certainly, you have to watch out this zone. Rather, I will say 2290. I have shared several times in my previous updates. As long as now 2270, 2280 zone is not taken, we are not going to treat silver as bearish. Remember what has happened yesterday is after a bit of consolidation, it has given a breakout. However, now it is again come to the support levels. The stochastic at bottom, MACD crossing over here at the top. Trading with divergence, double top here. It could pull the prices little down. Be watchful of this. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, resistance here on the upside. First red candle. Second red candle might lead to a little lower prices. It can erase the gains from this candle, bigger bullish candle, which means it can try to move towards 2290, 2280 zone, but still that should be a retracement, not a reversal. Only reversal confirmation is if it trades below 2270, 2280 zone. Yes, if it trades below this, you can treat this as a bearish move. Stochastic falling vertically. MACD trying to cross over for a sell, though it has lot much of room available on the upside. RSI looking down. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, great resistance is seen here at 2320, 2325 levels. Now with that as resistance, it is trying to reverse. Means possibility for it to hit 22, 23, 22, 95, 90 zone exists. And in fact, possibility for it to move towards 2280 levels exists. But still, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. It is convergent here. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to the daily. Now if you look at the daily chart, just connect the lows, just connect the highs. Beautiful channel is created here, where the supports 2280, 2290 zone should be a greater support for the day. In fact, 2270, 80, as long as 2270, 80 zone is respected, do not treat silver as bearish. What it may try to do at worst is it can try to move in this zone 2290, 2280 zone and then show a pullback and move towards 2310, 2320 towards the end of the day. Yes, after this drop, it is trying to retrace, and it has retraced also, but not showing much of the bullish momentum. Here it is still having a little room towards 2350, 2360 levels. That is the level beyond which you can treat silver as bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy silver today as 2320, 2325 levels. Expected to trade bullish towards 2340, 2360 zone. This is the first resistance zone and a very easy target for silver to achieve if it stays above 2320, 2325 level. On the downside, selling at 23 levels might bring slight profits to you, but you have to trade with extreme caution as prices have a very good support as long as 2270 levels are not breached on the downside. Thus, you have to trade with a strict stop loss at your entry price. If you're taking a sell entry on silver, you have to be extremely cautious. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Thank you.